everyone. I'm happy to be with you this Friday morning. I wanted to share with you these beautiful flowers, these sunflowers. Look at them. Aren't they so beautiful? I have these around my house. I want to talk today about doing something today that brings you joy. Maybe you're a mom and you have 5 little kiddos. You need to find some time every day to do something that brings you joy just for you. Katie, she's developing gifts and talents, and so she came over to my house and we were working on something. She's got the gift of healing. She's developing that. And we all have gifts that are inside of us that are untapped. And in this time and season, when there's so much turmoil and so much fear, it's so important to listen to your inner voice, to your spirit, to the Holy Ghost, whatever term, your higher self, because there's all kinds of people that listen to this. And so as I listened, as she was doing some work with me, I saw in my mind's eye a door opening up, and in the door was the color yellow. And as I walked through the door, I saw sunflowers everywhere. And I knew that for me to step forward with some other things in my life, I needed to have the color yellow around me. You know, everything has a vibration? Yeah, there's a book called Power versus Force. But besides that, if there's a color that speaks to you, wear it. Like, see this shirt? I knew that Walmart didn't have any yellow shirts because I looked there the other day. So I went to the DI, and sure enough, I got this shirt for like $2. And wearing this yellow right now is a color vibration that I need. And it brings light and joy and lightness and a possibility mindset, a miracle mindset. And so as I surround my house, if I put these beautiful flowers in my house, all around, I look at them and they bring me a lot of joy. So what would bring you joy today? I hope that you're going to go to the Peace Gardens. And if you don't live in Salt Lake, you could do a road trip. It is really worth your time to go there. I did a little video on that with Jeff and I and Robin. And I hope you go there. I know it will bless your life. It's beautiful. And so take time out of your busy day to feed you, and to grow in a new way. Maybe what you need is to clean out that closet, because until you do that, you're not going to be happy enough to step into painting. Maybe you're good at writing. I have a friend on Facebook who loves to make quilts, and so she posts them. And it's awesome to see her designs and to see what she's good at. I'm going to interview my daughter Jessica when I go up there this morning. I'm going to work with my granddaughter with preschool. That brings me joy to be able to share what I've done forever with my little granddaughter who's 4 years old. So what is it today that you could do that would bring you joy? It doesn't have to be big things, it's little things. For example, it brings me a lot of joy to be able to share my life with you. For years and years, I taught preschool, first in my home when my children were younger, and until they were like 14. Then I took a 2-year break and I did emotional healing work. Then I worked in the Granite School District, and then I taught preschool in my home. And during this time, especially when I was in our last home, I knew that I needed to grow for me personally. So I took classes that I needed, and they helped me immeasurably. And so, but I never shared them. You know the song, "This little gospel light of mine I'm gonna let it shine. Do any of you grow up with that? Hide it under a bushel. No, I'm gonna let it shine. Do you remember that song? You drive 3100 South. And guess what I saw? I pulled over. Isn't that amazing? What a wonderful sign. Someone had a lot of joy making that sign and wanted to share. Oh, thank you so much, someone out there. We love it. Hello, everyone.
Hi.
Hello, everyone. This is my daughter, Jessica. So, Jessica, in this time of chaos, what is it that you have been doing that makes you very, very happy?
Okay, so recently, the last couple months, I've found a lot of joy in organizing. So my mom wanted me to show you around my kitchen. So here's the kitchen, you can show it. And I enjoy Friday night organizing my kitchen. A lot of like crayon, scissors, and they're all marked. Like watercolors, pens, pencils, Play-Doh, and then spot for when we do.
Oh, way up high, huh?
Yeah,
because they don't get them all the time. Because you guys are eating healthy now.
We like to put the treats up high so they don't get them as much. But anywho, so we've got like all the treats, and then we have kinetic sand and learning games. Okay. And then we've got
look at that one, Jeff.
The nuts, the dark chocolate, the crackers, really good stuff. And then we've got our organized junk drawer.
Woo! Look at that.
And we've got a second one.
So Jess helped me when I moved in, and so did Katie, and I loved it, and Callie.
Then we've got, the water bottle department. The girls have their water bottles at school. And then we've got more preschool stuff for Adelie, like stamps, paints, stickers, and then more preschool stuff down here. And
love it. I love this organization.
This is actually where the lunch boxes go. So they didn't bring school lunch today, but lunchbox. Oop, this is not supposed to be there. Tyler's lunchbox, the girls, and then we have. I love these. These are meal prep. These are what I use for leftover or for Tyler's lunches. They fit in a lunchbox really nicely, and I got those at Walmart. And then, of course, all the girls' hair stuff, we organized that, and so they were uniforms, so we have the uniform colors, and then all the bows and all that stuff.
Awesome, Jess.
And then
so let's see what else you've been doing that makes you happy.
Oh yeah, I really
brings a lot of joy.
I've been putting sunglasses here. Sunglasses, because that's like built in, I can't take it out. This is like, I decided to put medicine. We used to have like canned foods in here, but we don't really eat any canned foods except spaghetti sauce, just because we eat more healthy. This is from our garden, so I get a little garden spot. And then we organized, I just did that, so Band-Aids, medicine, then onions, and then those will be like the natural doTERRA type things. Yeah. And then these are like the stuff that I use like all the time.
A lot, yeah.
I really like how these are all organized.
Woo, nice.
And then my other favorite part of my house, it's not clean right now, but it's my fridge.
It looks good. It doesn't have to be perfect.
I really like these bins because I can know like, okay, we need broccoli, we need tomatoes, or we'll go get them from the garden. And then I'll do like double, so I'll have like sugar snap peas. Sometimes I dump them out, sometimes I don't. I'm gonna add
boiled eggs, so they
so the girls can just
grab what they want.
They'll just grab what they want.
Notice all these healthy choices you have here. I love it, Jess.
Yeah, so we don't really
This is what we need right now at this time in history, is to be more healthy.
I do get a lot of people asking me like, well, if your fridge is full of these bins, then where do you put leftovers? And I do like meal prep Tyler's lunches for the next day.
Awesome.
This is just quinoa, but I'll put his stuff up here so he can just grab it and go. But typically, like if we go to Cafe Rio or we have any sort of like big leftovers like Thanksgiving, or if we have people in town, we have another fridge outside that we hold all this stuff so my fridge can stay pretty looking. Because I feel like, okay, can I just show you this?
Yeah.
Look, I feel like if you have a house that's decorated nicely, then you'll want to keep it nice. And In our other house, our laundry room was in the garage, and I never did laundry. And now, I don't know if you can see it.
I can see it.
But now that I decorated my laundry room, I always keep up on laundry and I put it away. So I feel like
so it makes a difference for you.
When your space looks nice.
Yes, you feel it's true. It's really true. I believe that too.
So that's our house. And yeah, I know. Oh yeah, I didn't show you this. This is
my goodness.
Like all the baking, the flour, rice, we get like Kodiak cake with sugar, and then the cereal, and then the more healthy like quinoa, still cut oats, brown rice, but then we have like chia seeds and monk fruit that I like to put in green smoothies. But I like to have this all organized, and then when we need to refill it, we just have a storage room downstairs, and so I'll get groceries, put them down, and then rotate. But I know my mom...
I think it's awesome, Jess. I'm glad for you.
She thinks it's funny that we do this much stuff.
I can't do that.
For
me, my personality is like, I'd go bonkers. Woo!
I love it, and I like it.
But you do. See, we're all different.
But I've been definitely getting off, like, online, and my family's like, where's your phone? Like, how come you don't have it? Well, I'm just, like, organizing and not being on Facebook. Because I just get too much stress.
It got too much.
And so I just enjoy doing all this stuff.
Thank you for sharing. I love it, Jess.
Brinley, what is it that makes you very, very happy?
I like picking the fruit from my garden.
Talk loud so I can hear.
I like picking the fruit from my garden because I love being outside, and I love having a fruit because it's just really nice.
Okay, so what can you see down there? Can you see any tomatoes?
Yeah, I see lots
Oh,
of...
pick some for them. Show them where they are.
There's little
right there.
tomatoes over in here.
Oh my goodness.
And there's...
Look. Can you take a big bite of one? Let's see. Oh, how does that taste? Wow, thumbs up. Oh my gosh, how lucky you are.
And also, if you go over here...
Yes.
There's a big tomato right here.
Ooh.
And then another one back here.
Ooh, and you know what smells so good? The smell of tomatoes.
Yeah.
Oh.
And I love having these big raspberry bushes.
Ooh, I saw some raspberries. I ate one already. And they're clear over there. I see a little raspberry clear over there. Oh, my goodness. Oh, you found one. There they are. No wonder why you're so happy, Bryn. You have a lot of things to make you happy, don't you?